Hello friends, it's me, and today Mr. Beast. Let's check out microwaving a microwave from Mr. Beast. Together, let's go.
So a little while ago, I asked you guys, what should I microwave? And these were your guys' best answers.
Eggs.
We shall microwave eggs.
Don't, it will explode.
Dude, really?
It will explode.
Oh yeah, you can see him eat. Davis, what did you just say you would do?
I said I'm gonna eat that egg when it gets done for $20.
$20. He said he'd eat one of these when the 10 minutes is up because, I don't
As
know,
long as it's
he's stupid.
do it.
It's gone. See, it exploded.
So you're still gonna eat that egg?
No.
Oh, well, technically speaking, if you microwave it for like, what, 1 second, 2 seconds, it's alright, I guess.
So Davis, you still want that $20?
It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Hot.
I don't think they'll explode like that.
Eggs, that was dope.
I didn't know the eggs would explode. It's not even turning. Oh, that one's coming out. Ugh.
I've been here all day. You watch. The bananas just got like baked, but nothing cool happened. Stupid bananas. But next up, we're gonna be doing this watch.
No.
Rewind. Holy crap. Dude, that's like a fireworks show.
That's gonna blow up. You're getting back. You're too close.
Can you smell it? So, yeah, I'm giving away this watch. All you have to do is like and comment, and you're entered.
Okay, I'm pretty sure that watch is gonna be very expensive. It came from Mr. Beast. It appeared in a Mr. Beast video.
So next, we're gonna be microwaving a bunch of forks and spoons because why not? Holy crap.
That's 8 of them too.
Oh. Okay, maybe we can stop. Dude, it's like on fire in there. We need to quit putting so much time on it. Yeah, it's over 5 minutes.
You wanna go turn it off? Right now. Turn it off.
Am I gonna like get shocked if I had these?
No.
It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. It's hot.
Alright, on to the next one. Alright, so we have a Minecraft Steve character with diamond ore. We're gonna wrap it in some tinfoil.
Nice wrapping.
We're gonna throw it in the microwave, and yeah. How long should I do? And
It's
I
hot.
don't know.
It stinks.
Oh, dude, it does stink. Oh,
It's hot.
the
It's hot.
tinfoil's on fire.
It's hot. It's hot.
I'm not quite sure what I should do. Steve got a little bit of a burn mark, but besides that, Steve managed to survive. Stupid microwave.
It's not light.
Okay, well, the next thing we're gonna microwave is a bunch of Christmas lights, so that'll be interesting. Oh. Okay. Santa's coming early. Oh, do you see the steam coming out of it?
Steam?
Look above the microwave.
Oh yeah, dude.
It was not doing that before.
What's that from? Holy crap.
That's a
Turn
lot
on
of
the
fire.
side.
That's a lot of fire.
This thing's gonna explode.
Oh god.
Yeah, I know.
How much time is left?
20 seconds.
Alright, let's pop this sucker open. Oh boy.
Wow.
What the frick? Alright, boys. Do not microwave Christmas lights. Holy crap. Oh. So, that microwave outlived its use. We got a new microwave. For this, oh. One moment.
Oh my goodness, they actually purchased microwave to do this prank video.
Oh, this light
A joke video.
it turns on? Oh, perfect. We should have been using this one all the
It will explode. It will explode.
Oh. Ooh, lovely.
Okay.
So nothing special really happened. They're just burnt to a crisp.
Whoa, they didn't explode. I was wrong. What the?
Okay, so the next thing we're gonna microwave is my iPad.
Oh,
No.
wow, it's playing the video.
Yes, while it's playing the video.
Oh, snap. No.
No, I was watching that video.
It was a good, it was a good iPad.
Rest in pepperoni's iPad. Rest in pepperoni's. Woo! All right. And yeah. All right. So the next thing you guys wanted me to microwave was Chris's sock. So that we shall.
Can we just stop for a moment and just recognize that how ridiculous this video is? Normally you microwave fish, you microwave chicken, you microwave pork, you microwave beef, you microwave lamb, you microwave food. Granted, if they microwave eggs, but we all know what happens to microwave eggs. You microwave for too long, it explodes.
Okay. To be honest, it's really cold outside. Nothing happened. Now we're gonna microwave a bullet. Yeah. So next we're gonna microwave a bullet. Not quite sure what's gonna happen. I hope I don't die.
Yep, famous last words.
Microwave.
This is the second microwave we broke. The bullet never went off, but the microwave broke, so we're just gonna move on. Alright, so the last thing we're gonna microwave is a microwave inside of a microwave. Yeah,
Actually
I don't know what I was doing. We're gonna be microwaving a microwave, put it on for 10 minutes. Holy crap, that's
You know, this kind of bigger size microwave is very useful if you have like entire chicken. Not like half a chicken, but entire chicken.
a nice microwave.
Oh, turkey.
Right?
It's
Or maybe if you want like potato chips, fries, popcorn.
start. Far. All this. Oh, it's starting to light on fire a little bit.
That's a huge fire.
So the microwave inside is catching on fire.
Yeah.
As you can see, it smells horrible. Alright, so it's been microwaving like 25 minutes. I'm not thinking anything's gonna happen. So we'll just whoa. Whew.
Whoa.
Whew.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's That's what happens when you microwave a microlight on your face. Tell him something.
It's on my $20.
For eating the egg. Yeah.
I give Jimmy permission to blow up this truck if the video gets 100,000 likes.
He said if this video gets 100,000 likes, I can blow up that car. So you better hit the like button. There's actually bleach in here. This microwave's already fallen to crap.
No
How
way.
long should I do it?
10 minutes.
No.
Wow.
Yes.
I mean, we're gonna do anything else to it.
Nothing.
So apparently nothing happens when you microwave bleach. Literally nothing at all happened. So yeah, that was a little bit disappointing.
Rock, paper, scissors. Ready? Let's go. Alright, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed and subscribe. Thank you.